Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from Skill Builder, and I want to talk to you about the Milwaukee tape measure range. Now this is the stud. It's one of several tape measures in the range, and the thing that they all share is the fact that they've got fantastic abrasion resistance. So they've sandblasted these things and they've tried to wear those numbers away, and they really are very, very resistant. They're also water resistant as well, so you won't be finding them rusting. The other thing that's a great feature is the bendability of these tapes. So if you're going up to a ceiling, you want to bend over as we do, you'll find that this is very, very good. As with most tape measures, there's a locking mechanism here, but you'll know if you've used some tape measures that locking mechanism is not very good. But with this one, you can be sure that it's rigid. You can obviously pull it out if you try, but even then it's locked. It doesn't come unlocked. And here's another little feature I like. On the back here is a little indent for your finger, so that you can control the tape measure coming in as you retract it. Now that's quite important, because I've been told by tape measure manufacturers, when you start knocking that end piece against the body all the time, it can actually loosen them and move them out. Now if you look at this tape measure, everyone's used to seeing a couple of sliding rivets, but you can see there are 3 sliding rivets on this. When it's pushed in, that's the 0 point, and when it's pulled out, the 0 point is at the back of the hook. Every builder knows that. And also you'll notice there's a little slot in the end, which is very useful for hooking over the end of a screw or something if you're trying to do a measurement on your own. And of course everybody always talks about the standout. Everybody loves a big standout on a tape measure. So you can get these double side printed, but this is the stud. This is the one I've been using. Very handy little belt hook there, easy to clip on unlike some of them, but a tough tape measure that takes a lot of punishment. A lot of them split when you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah? But it's back as good as new, almost. I hope you found that interesting and useful. I've got to tell you, this isn't the cheapest tape measure out there, but we all know what happens to the cheap ones. This one is built to last. It's built to do some work, a bit like me.